Of flood warnings forcing emergency crews to suspend the search for flood victims in Central Texas. Hello and welcome in, everybody. I'm Casey Stiegel. First at 5, astonishing video from the Bell County Sheriff's Department shows the rising Lampasas River earlier today. For context, that's about 110 miles northeast of Kerr County. Officials have ordered mandatory evacuations in some low-lying areas until further notice. Search crews told to leave the Guadalupe River corridor, where last week's catastrophic floods have claimed 129 lives and more than 150 are still missing. The National Weather Service warns water levels could rise to nearly 15 feet, about 5 feet above flood stage. Let's get you to Fox 4's Paige Ellenberger, who is live on the scene for us in Kerr County. Paige, you and our chief photojournalist, Bob Hallman, have been talking with volunteers out there. What are they saying and what are the conditions?
Casey, while the rain has let up right now, the message today was very clear. Get everyone and everything out and away from the Guadalupe River. This, as first responders had to sit back and watch yet another day of rainfall. The search and rescue airboats are back on land.
We had, big thunderstorms come through, lightning.
9 days of scouring put on pause because of more rain.
We have to protect ourselves. We're going to look out for everybody, but ourselves is number one.
Reagan Rapke, fire marshal from Fredericksburg, and his crews are part of the larger army of first responders and volunteers looking for the more than 100 people still missing.
It was unimaginable once we got down here. It's just unexplainable.
We are here to help as best we can, but it's heartbreaking.
Lynn Bizzle started his career back in 1980.
I've been to a lot of incidences over my career, and this is terrible.
They're taking the day to regroup and reflect. But while the search was suspended, other volunteers' work was not.
All this help we've had right now from the community, I've got people from New York sending stuff to us, and we're getting a lot of money, a lot of relief, and we're trying to get it out of here as fast as we can.
Eric Burton and dozens of others at VFW Post 1480 in Kerrville sorting through thousands of donations to help those first responders and other Texans who are dealing with floods.
It's really nice to see a community pull together and do this.
So when the boats do get back on the water, they will have what they need to scour the river again and find the more than 100 people still missing.
We're going to work as hard as we can for those loved ones because that's what you'd want, and we just put it in that perspective like that. We were going to do what you would want to do for your family. And depending on how high the river is, tomorrow these search operations will resume in the morning, though those first responders tell me that it will be more difficult because all of the rain that came in, surely shifting all of that debris around. Casey?
Well, we are certainly lucky to have Fox 4's Paige Ellenberger working with us this evening. Paige, thank you to all your hard work.